Police in Harare are investigating an armed robbery incident where one person was shot dead while another was seriously injured in Hatfield, Harare on December 24, 2021 at about 2130 hours. The victim was responding to a call for help by his sister who had been attacked by two unknown suspects wearing balaclavas and armed with an AK-47 rifle at their gate. The suspects stole a white Mercedes compressor C200 registration number EO 7940, two iPhone cell phones and an unascertained amount of cash. Police recovered 16 spent cartridges, one live round for a suspected AK-47 rifle and 2x7, 65mm spent cartridges on the scene. The suspects stole a white Mercedes compressor C200 registration number EO 7940, two iPhone cell phones and an unascertained amount of cash. Police recovered 16 spent cartridges, one live round for a suspected AK-47 rifle and 2x7, 65mm spent cartridges on the scene. It is alleged that an unidentified suspect from Kaviga Farm, Kwekwe, who was drinking beer at the shopping center, was involved in a brawl with one of the victims before a mob joined in and pursued the suspect. The suspect fired shots in the air and eventually shot 7 people. The ZRP is investigating an armed robbery case which occurred at a service station in Kararoy at around 0300 hours this morning when 4 unidentified men attacked the manager, his family, security and took $51,500 cash and a VW Golf vehicle. More details to follow. The ZRP is investigating a case of armed robbery which occurred at Mukuru Money Transfer, inside Zapalala Supermarket, Chigutu on December 24, 2021 at 0800 hours. 4 unknown male suspects armed with an unknown pistol and 2 AK-47 rifles pounced on money transfer workers and fired 2 shots in the air. They used a hammer to destroy the booth and stole $17,609 and 3,500 South African rand. Follow-ups by police led to the recovery of a Mercedes-Benz vehicle of a 5892 along Chigutu-Mbandoro Road which was used by the suspects as a getaway vehicle. The vehicle was stolen by means of robbery on December 24, 2021 at 0200 hours in Butteriro, Harare. On December 23, 2021 at 0345 hours, ZRP Ngundu recorded an armed robbery case involving a MB transport bus today at 0230 hours. 3 suspects disguising as passengers robbed all the bus occupants' property valued at 566,245 South African rand, $11,520 and an Itel P37 cell phone. Following the arrest of Tanganydzani Mulia, 28, Believe Shumba, 32, John Bunu, 34, Nigel Pandukai, 27, and Ratsouka, 29, on December 21, 2021 in Beitbridge, for a case of robbery on May 10, 2021. The trio boarded the bus in Harare destined for Beitbridge before one of them suddenly fired a shot on the front screen and ordered the driver to stop. They attacked the driver with a wheel spanner as they demanded cash and valuables from passengers. Police have since recovered the red Honda Fit getaway vehicle, 2 Okapi knives, kitchen utensils, various second-hand clothing and Omega home theater. 4 suspects attacked 3 complainants and stole 3 cell phones, 2 laptops, various clothes as well as $50 cash, among other valuables, all valued at $13,300. Anyone with information to contact any nearest police station. The ZRP is investigating a case of robbery which occurred in Eiffel Flats, Kadoma on December 22, 2021, where 6 unknown male suspects masquerading as police officers pounced on a family and robbed them property valued at $26,000. The suspects brandished 2 unknown pistols before demanding for valuables. They stole $20,000, 9mm pistol loaded with 8 rounds, jewelry, a Samsung cell phone and a blue Toyota Vitz vehicle ACV 9037. The suspects brandished 2 unknown pistols before demanding for valuables. They stole $20,000, 9mm pistol loaded with 8 rounds, jewelry, a Samsung cell phone and a blue Toyota Vitz vehicle ACV 9037. Police used tear gas to disperse a violent mob that attempted to attack the police and free the suspects. Police in Beitbridge acted on a tip-off and arrested Tanganydzani Mulia, 28, Believe Shumba alias Chipanga, 32, John Bunu, 34, Nigel Pandukai, 27, and David Ratsauka, 29, in connection with a robbery case which occurred on May 10, 2021 at 2300 hours along a bush road connecting Beitbridge-Musvingo Highway near the railway line. The suspects attacked the complainant, who was driving a Toyota Hiace Combi from Beitbridge to Rutenga, and stole 200 South African Rand cash, a cell phone, various groceries, 2 tires as well as electric tubing pipes. The complainant had stopped the vehicle to tighten a rope which was securing a bed that was on top of the vehicle when the suspects emerged from the bush. On December 18, 2021, police in Harare arrested Tafetauna Levi-Majakara, 41, for murder which occurred on November 17, 2021 at the suspect's house along Wadunga Avenue, Section 5 Kambazuma, Harare. The suspect, who is an illegal drug dealer, teamed up with his friends only identified as Moses Batsarai as well as Karum, and took turns to assault More Blessing Sarudzai Simangaliso with electrical cables, broomstick, leather belt and bottles after the suspect accused her of stealing $58 and crystal methamphetamine drugs. The ZRP confirms the arrest of Tine Gumbo, 21, for armed robbery which occurred in Beitbridge on December 18, 2021 at 2300 hours. The suspect, together with his 2 accomplices only known as Keta and Malium, attacked 2 complainants who entered the country through an illegal entry point near Beitbridge Prison. The suspect was fished out by a police dog in a nearby bush after the complainants had made a report.